I always thought that a BLT should be bread, mayo, and of course, bacon, lettuce, and tomato, with a little bit of salt on the tomato. But apparently, I was wrong. On my BLT recipe video, you have given me suggestions with different ideas for a BLT. So today, I'm gonna make them. And stick around to the end, because I will be rating them all from worst to best. So without further ado, let's start prepping the ingredients. So a while back, I made this video of me making the most simple yet the most perfect BLT. You will need bread, mayo, tomatoes, and iceberg lettuce. Get these things out. Nobody likes these things. Now through the years, the video gathered some comments with your suggestions, like this one and this one, and of course we have this one. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let's try these. What's the worst that could happen? I hate it. I guess you just saw me in the future eating these sandwiches. Is it that bad? Well, we'll see. So anyway, of course I found normal improvements like these ones, but shouldn't be that bad. That's why I guess I will start with these. This is gonna be way too many iceberg lettuce, but whatever. Just chop them up a little bit into manageable pieces. Slices, I should say. Also, don't forget to cut up the tomato. And that's mostly it for the greens. So, yeah. Get ready our bacon draining station. And let's go to the stovetop. Let's fry up some bacon, shall we? Okay. Turn on the heat. Let the pan heat up a little bit. Great. Let's put on some bacon strips. There we go. Hear that sizzle? Yeah, baby. The smell. Okay, so most of these will be regular. Just I have this one suggestion to add some pepper on the bacon itself. Sure, let's try that. So follow the recipe like in the video I mentioned before. Okay, a bit too early to flip, but let's see. This one is better. Move them around a little bit so that the bacon fat spreads all over the place, since we're gonna be toasting our bread next. You know what? That's pretty good to me. Like, it's not too crispy, but just take a pepper mill and just add a bit of pepper on two of these, make it stick. And let's set these aside in a separate plate. Okay, there's our peppered bacon, and here's our regular bacon. So I'll continue with the rest, and then we'll go to assembly. You know what? I forgot, don't do that. Let's first toast our bread in the bacon fat. God damn it. I'm not gonna use good bread for most of these recipes because, I mean, just look at them. Time to flip. It's good enough. Time for more bacon. Here we go. Ooh! The pan is really hot right now. Grease fireworks everywhere. Okay, I think they're done. It's popping, it's like 4th of July. Now let's quickly add the bread. Move it around so it gets all greasy. You want that grease. You want it very much. That's the flavor, you know? It is toasted. You can hear it. I'll remove the bread and let's get back to the table. Let's start off with the most simple one, and I think this is gonna be an improvement maybe even. So for that one, I'll use good bread. I don't want to waste bread, so I'm gonna do half one recipe and half the other one. So let's get our peppered bacon, our mayo. And the rest of the ingredients. So first, mayo, both slices. Good. Some lettuce. And our peppered bacon. Since both of these recipes use pepper, I'm just gonna place the bacon on both sides. And let's use a good tomato right here. Some salt, of course. And let's do this side with pepper. Close it off. And cut it like so. Now we have pepper bacon and pepper tomatoes, which is basically this recipe, and only peppered the tomatoes. Right? Good. What's up next? Now the next one is a bit I mean, it's not one half is good and the other one is So a lot of people suggested avocado. I have this already used one. A lot of BLTs are made with avocados, so it's a good avocado. Don't judge a book by its cover. Now cut off the bad parts. And slice them nicely, like so. There we go. Also, don't forget to salt your avocados. But one of you suggested mustard instead of mayonnaise, which I will do. So let's do half of it normally, like you should, in my opinion. And the other half is mustard. I'm using light mustard. If you use Dijon mustard, oh my god, what is wrong with you? I'm sorry. Good. Now add the salad, like so. And tomato, of course, salt, and of course salt the avocados. Let's add the avocados on one side. Okay, I got too many avocados. There's no such thing as too much avocado, I think, so we'll be good. And that's it. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot the bacon, of course. Bacon strips. It's a BLT without bacon. Stupid me. And ground. Okay, maybe a bit too much avocado. Let's cut it in half. Let's put the avocado back in. And then we have our mustard and our good avocado. Okay, now this is the final one. God, it's so bad. I have to double check if it's right. Put a little salt, pepper, vinegar on the lettuce. Perfection. And this is not even the worst one. Try subbing peanut butter for the mayo. Are you stupid? Oh my god. Let's just do it, shall we? Here it is. Our peanut butter. I'm using organic peanut butter, so might be not the best for this recipe, but I don't care. Peanut butter on one side, not too much. God, no. Try put as little as possible. This can't be good. And now, I guess mayo, because he doesn't say anything about mayo part. This is gonna be our final BLT. Oh my god, look at, what am I doing? I'm ruining a perfectly good sandwich. God damn it. Oh, I don't care if the vinegar is gonna go through to the peanut butter side, just... Does it really matter? Here we go. Tomato. How could I forget the tomato? Of course, don't forget the vinegar. Just a tiny dollop in the middle. Maybe I should have prepped it like before. Oh my god. Oh god. Just salt, pepper it. Oh, it's bad. I can already see it. More salt. And let's finish it off. Oh, Jesus. This is the worst one yet. Oh, I can taste the vinegar. Okay, let's clean up a bit. There we have it, our final sandwich. Oh my god. Oh no. Yikes. Okay, now let's just set them up real nice. From worst to last, what I think it's gonna be. Definitely peanut butter, the worst. Salt, pepper, vinegar on the lettuce. Then it's gonna be the mustard instead of mayonnaise. Then I think it's the pepper, right? It's pepper on the tomato, then pepper on the bacon, and of course this is gonna be an improvement, avocado on the BLT. So, let's get ready for tasting, shall we? Just to prove that I'm eating them, here is the avocado one. Oh, definitely was too much avocado. Reminds me of summer. Yeah, during the summer I had a bunch of these. Takes me back to the good old days. Summer 1696. Anyway, actually I prefer the simple recipe more than this, but I also love avocado, so let's put it in S tier also, next to the original recipe. Now, pepper on the tomatoes, if I remember correctly. Let's see, does it make any difference? Here again, eating. Not a fan. At the beginning, it gives this bite, no pun intended, and I don't really like it. It's too strong for me, but it's not bad. I'd say it's like B tier for now. You might have to move it up because, oh my god. Try subbing peanut butter for the mayo. Anyway, now pepper on both the bacon and the tomato. Let's give it a bite. Weird. This one seems to have a bit less pepper. But no, I can see pepper over here. Let's check the other one. Pepper here. You know what? Yeah, I mismatched these. I think the previous one was pepper with tomato. Editor Andrew, confirm if this is correct or not. That one was B tier. This one, actually A tier. I don't feel as much pepper, so not that bad. Now here comes the final three. Mustard, mustard, mustard. I like mustard, but not like this. Let's do it. Holy shit, it's not bad. You know what? I like it. If I would have used Dijon mustard, probably would have been too strong. That's why I would have made like a Dijonaise. But this smooth mustard, like sweet mustard, it fits in very well. Holy shit, I didn't expect this. Let's give it another bite. This is definitely between like A and B tier, but at the same time, I don't feel like it's a BLT anymore, but it is BLT just with mustard. A tier. Okay. Now this is where it gets funky. Vinegar, pepper, salt. This might be the worst one. I like some vinaigrette in my salad, but not on a BLT. Come on. First bite. Nope, I hate it. Sorry, dude. Of course, I put in too much vinegar, but God, it's bad. Just to be sure. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, but this is not a salad. Can't eat it. No. Now let's pray before the last one. Final challenger appears. Peanut butter. Oh my God. I was dreading this moment, but here it is. Peanut butter BLT. Guess it's healthier, but it makes me throw up just looking at it. Go work out. It's only a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Come on. Yeah, I hate it. I'm sorry, I did this for the effect mostly, but I actually hate it. Nope, if I wouldn't be stingy, I would throw this straight into garbage. But somebody's gotta eat it, so.
Oh my God, bro.
I'm sorry, I'm nasty. Oh no, the chewiness of the peanut butter. No, it just ruins the sandwich. Like, it's not that bad, but peanut butter just ruins the sandwich. I say this is close to F tier. This is E tier. And I forgot to rate the vinegar one. That's definitely F tier. Actually, you know what? This one is F tier too. If you're trying to be healthy, I mean, sure, but no. No. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.